What's going on, guys? Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to use ClickUp Whiteboard for planning. In the left column, scroll down to Whiteboard, then select New Whiteboard in the top right corner. Once you're in your whiteboard, you can then rename it in the top left corner by clicking on Whiteboard and then giving it a name. Once you have named it, you can then start editing or brainstorming. So we can add shapes, sticky notes, and text. You can also add ClickUp items such as tasks or documents. You can also add templates to your whiteboard. So in the bottom bar, go to templates. You can then search for the template that you would like to use. Once you find your template, simply click it and then select Apply Template. This makes brainstorming and planning much easier. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe.